Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time watching my videos. Hi, my name is James, and in today's video I'm going to be building my dream home in The Sims. I am so excited about this. This has came to me in like a moment of inspiration. Last day I was like trying to figure out an idea what to do for this video, and then I was like, oh my god, I love decorating, I love design, and I was like, how can I like do something? So I was like, The Sims. So I was The Sims, and I was like, hey, what am I going to do? And then I was like, I'll just try to build my dream home that I designed for you before. I'll have that video linked up here or down in the description. So doing this, it was like super fun. But anyway guys, without further ado, let's just get into the video. Okay guys, so when I was doing this, I started off by building the kind of ground floor. So yeah, I built like the kind of dining area and kitchen area, and trying to get the sizes right, I kind of like put in a kind of table, you know, just so I could kind of get the area size that I need, because I didn't want like too much space in the room, you know, so I had to kind of put in a table just to kind of get size, and that's why the table's there. But then when I done that, I kind of put in the kitchen, and then I put in the stairs. Now ideally I'd like kind of like L-shaped stairs going up instead of just the straight up ones, but that's all I could work with, so I had to just use what I had. And then I ended up putting the door, going into the garage, and then later I come back and actually add in a main door and that wall there beside that door, that door, and then also like every little kind of spare room thing there that connects to the dining room and garage. Still don't know what I'm going to put there, but I mean that can be decided afterwards. But yeah, I'm actually really surprised how it turned out, to be honest, because I thought like it would be so inaccurate. Well, I mean, it's not very accurate at all, because you can only do certain sized walls like that are like squares, so you can do like one square is like the smallest wall you can do, and there's parts where, like, you know, ideally I'd like the door maybe a bit more over to the right or a bit more over to the left, and you couldn't do it because it kind of slots in the squares. So that's something I had to work through. And then kind of moving on upstairs, then I kind of moved my room then from the left hand side of the house to the right hand side of the house. So I've given myself UTC, which I get that part where I build in my kind of master suite. And when I say suite, I mean literally suite. It's like another house. There's like a dressing room, bathroom, bedroom, living area. It's very fun say. So, but yeah guys, it was so fun to do this. Now this is just kind of like, you know, it's not like supposed to be taken seriously, it's just a bit of fun. So I'd love to for you guys to tell me what you think of it, and how do you like kind of, which kind of format you prefer? Do you prefer me doing it in The Sims? Do you prefer me talking about it with sketches? Let me know. Would you like me to kind of add in, like, material boards and concept boards, or do it in SketchUp? You guys let me know in the comments, because I love to hear your feedback, and it makes me so happy when you comment. Like, I'm just like, oh my god, someone's actually interested in what I'm putting out, which is really amazing and motivational. So thank you guys for that. But yeah, I don't know which part of the video I'm at now, because I'm recording this and I'm going to overlay it, so I'm just presumed that I'm still building, because this is just a building part, and I'm going to do like another part to it then where I actually decorate it, which would be super fun. But I want to like download like some custom content, because I kind of want to get stuff as close to as I can to the actual furniture I'd like to use in my dream home. But yeah, it's really exciting, and like I'm literally obsessed with the master bedroom. I so cannot wait to decorate that, because oh, this is so cool. And then like the doors at the front, like they're like windows, but like they're like bifolding doors on the ground floor, so you can slide them all the way open, and then you can slide them all the way closed as well, just so you know you have that kind of indoor outdoor living, which is really cool, and I love it. And you also got like loads of fresh air and natural light coming through, which is amazing. And yeah, the kitchen is just like unreal, state of the art, amazing. Like, it's something special. But yeah, the master bedroom, man, it's just something else. You go in, there's like kind of an entryway, and you can go right into the actual bedroom, and then you go into the bedroom, and then there's another door on the, so you're looking at the bed, say I'm looking at the bed right now. On this side of the bed there's a door, which is the main door come in, and on this side is the door where you go into the closet area, and then also the bathroom. And then when you go into the bathroom, like, you kind of go through two archways, so the kind of bathroom is kind of a separate space in itself. So there's like two sections of the dressing room. But I'm going to put stairs down into the basement. I think I'm still dabbling with this, but I might when I go in to decorate it. Just depends on how it all works, because the reason I didn't actually decorate it in this part was because I didn't have enough time. and it's my fault, you know. I should have been more prepared and scheduled a bit more, but you know, life's crazy and you can't plan everything. So yeah. Okay, I think I'm going to stop actually talking right now and just let the video play, and then check back to you then when it's actually done, and kind of say goodbye or whatever. So, because like, I mean, you don't want my voice in the background, you just want to relax. So take a deep breath, relax, grab a cup of coffee or something, and enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll speak to you guys soon. Okay guys, so that is my dream house built in The Sims. Now I will be doing another part where I decorate it, which will be so fun and exciting and cool, but that will be up in, like, I don't know, whenever I get time to film it. But yeah, I do really hope you enjoyed this. Please let me know what you thought. Let me know, speak James, let me know all your thoughts and what you thought, like, you know, any questions you have, anything about this, like, you know, let me know all your thoughts and everything in the comments. And yeah, because I love hearing them, and I love answering them, and I love loving them. And yeah, so guys, I am going to end it here. Please like, comment and subscribe, and also hit that little notification bell just so you're notified whenever I upload, because you don't want to miss an upload, do you? You know, I don't think so. So hit that bell, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.